Two, two, two. We can put the light on. We can put the light off. Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with ABmom. English might be confusing, right? Today we will be talking about important using English words. So try to relax and enjoy this video. Let me tell you the truth. In English, there are words which look the same and have different meanings, or look different but have same pronunciation. What? Are you confused? Don't worry. So in this video, we are going to have a very big understanding how to use homonyms and how to use homophones in your daily communications. So let us start. In the first group, we have words that we write and say the same word, but they mean something completely different than each other. That is called homonyms. Number one, ring. Ring. Ring is a noun and it particularly means the circle piece of jewelry which we wear it in our finger. On the other hand, ring it can be also a verb and which create a sound like I can hear my phone ring. Let me see. Hey, hello Sarah. How are you? What's up? Next homonyms is bank. It's a financial institution where you collect money for saving your money, or you can take loan from the bank, which means you should provide them with your bank account. On the other hand, bank is like a side of the river where we sit and we can also watch boat going around the bank of the rivers. Word number 3, pear. Pear, it is a brown animal like this. Yeah, he is a bear. In other words, peer is a verb which means to tolerate something. If you are admitted in the hospital and you have a stomach ache and you cannot stand, but it is absolutely you are able to tolerate the pain. So it is bear. I bear the pain. Are you still waiting for more words? So stay with me. Here, one more. Date. It's obviously it's a date which is written in a calendar that is called a date, and in some other way it means a meeting with someone special and having a date together. So that is another way of saying date. Here comes another word, book. Of course, you know what the book is. It's a noun, and these are called books. It's a documentary books. It can be of different subjects of books. So these are called books. Book, it can be also a verb, which means to reserve something for a reschedule, to book a ticket, to book a seat, or to book an appointment. You can say, I need to book a hotel. Light can turn off and turn on the light. Light is also an adjective to describe something, like I'm wearing a light t-shirt. Am I wearing a light lipstick? Or you can say this bag is very light. I'm describing the bag. It's not so heavy, it's light. And the last homonym is row. It can be a line of things or queue type. In the airplane, we stand in a queue. We make a line. And I was standing in the last row. Row can be used as a verb, means to paddle your boat, like to move the boat with your hand. Row, row, row your boat. Of course, I know what is there in your mind. How could I know what someone meant to say? Are you talking about the date of a calendar? Are you talking about the date of meeting someone? So when can I judge it? It's okay, nothing to worry. It depends about the conversation. So let us move to the second group of words, that is homophones. It's words we say in the same way, but the spelling is different and the meaning is also different. The only things that connect these two words is the pronunciation, right and right. I think this group is more confusing than the previous one. The first one, right, is a verb, means to write something with your hand. For example, I am writing a letter. And the other one, right, it means you're saying it is correct. Yes, absolutely right. For example, you are correct, you are right, means you agree with someone. It can be also showing a direction, like you can take an opposite right side. Instead of going straight, take a right turn. Two, two, and two. This one is super tricky. This is example number 2 of homophones. So, 2 is a number 2, obviously. And to, is a preposition. And so it's likely, for example, when we say, I want to help you, I want to go. And the last one, TOO, just imagine a dialogue between two of partners are talking. I want to have this. And the other person say, me too. Here comes flower and flower. So what are the difference? This is a flowers which have a beautiful smell. And the other one, flowers, which is used for cooking and baking and making a birthday cake. Here comes peace and peace. Peace, first one, peace is a state of mind, state of calmness, feeling very calm, feeling peace. And the other one is a piece. A birthday cake, we can cut it into different pieces. So that is said a piece of cake. Here and here. What is the difference? Hear means to hear a noise or a sound or something which makes you hear from your ears. Yes, that is hear. Whereas here means exactly come here. I want you to come here. It is showing a place where you can go here. Come here. See and see. Sea, of course, is a salty water in the some place of the oceans. So that is sea. Whereas see is a verb. I can see you, you can see me. We can exchange the look. Don't worry, I'm coming with the easy one for you. Red and red. Of course, the first one, red, is about a color. It's red. Like your favorite color might be red. And the second word is read, is to read something by your eyes. It's a verb in the past, read. I read the book. Do you imagine that we have covered the most important homonyms and homophones? So right now you are familiar with these important words. So even if you remember 50% of these, they are quite successful, big success. If you have any questions related to all these words which we have covered today, you can put your question in the comment box. And if still confusions are there, we are ready to make a new video related to this topic and make your doubt clear. So stay with us and give a thumbs up and share this video with as many as you can. Love and peace.